Hi, today I will introduce you to the best top hosting service. Among the web hosting providers I've come across so far, this one is one of the best in the budget category. It's a very versatile and very effective assistant. In this short video, I'm going to reveal to you 5 very useful secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the top hosting category. Don't forget to like it and also watch our other videos. Let's not waste time and get started.
Hostwinds is a privately held company that informs potential customers that they have started to reshape the hosting industry from the beginning with a new set of standards to offer quality hosting services at a reasonable price. Hostwinds divides its features into 4 categories: hosting, VPS, cloud, and dedicated. Within these categories, there are different subcategories and separate sets of components within each subcategory. If you choose this option, you can choose from shared, business, reseller, or white label options, and each has its own pricing structure and feature set. For those considering a VPS option, there are 4 options to choose from. In addition, each of them has different tariff plans and features. 4 options: Linux managed, unmanaged Linux, Windows managed, unmanaged Windows. The features you get access to depend on the plan you choose. That is to say, RAM, storage, disk space, data transfer, and bandwidth are all different. But as you probably guessed, the more you pay, the more you get. If you prefer hosting a cloud server, Hostwinds tells us that it takes less than 20 seconds to deploy a cloud server. Again, the sizes of CPU, storage, RAM, and bandwidth vary depending on which pricing structure you choose, but generally common features include flexible payment options for hourly to 3-year pay, full management support 24/7, 365, including live chat, phone, or support tickets. SSD drives to speed up your server, which means faster data processing. Custom templates you can customize yourself. SSH key management, giving you the ability to create your own or import SSH keys through the Hostwinds cloud management portal. Instant scalability means you can expand your cloud server space at any time, such as increasing the amount of RAM or CPU in seconds. The most customized options is the Hostwinds dedicated server program. This is where you get your very own fully managed server. This is an option for those who want to have complete control over their server at any time. Hostwinds will build your server that suits your needs. Just specify the amount of RAM and the type of CPU you need, and they'll do the rest. You can also customize the disk space number and their configuration. Here, the feature set is slightly different in that you choose the functionality you want. Hostwinds pricing plans depend on the type of hosting you choose. If you're opening a new store and want something fast but cheap, then Hostwinds' generic basic plan is probably your best bet, starting at $3.29 per month with a discount from $8.99 per month at the time of writing. Sticking with shared hosting if you need to upgrade to a larger package as your business grows. Their most popular and most beneficial package is their overall ultimate plan. It starts at $5 per month. Prices for business shared web hosting plans are starting to rise, but only marginally. The basic package starts at $5.64 per month. Again, this gives you the right to use just one domain, up to unlimited domains if you opt for the ultimate plan at $7.99 per month, up from $18.99 per month. For cloud server hosting, prices again depend on the required processor, RAM, storage, and bandwidth. The most expensive option is 16 CPU, 96 GB RAM, 750 GB storage, and 9 TB of bandwidth, for which you'll have to shell out 45 cents an hour. Finally, if your ambition is big and you need a dedicated server, it will cost you a lot more. The cheapest option is $79.50 per month versus $106 per month, and the most expensive plan starts at $140 per month. Hostwinds has received numerous awards, including customer service, so that the FindMyHost.com Editor's Choice Awards was given to Hostwinds for their customer support and good business practices. Hostwinds offers customers 24/7, 365 support in the form of live chat, ticket support, email, and phone support. Their website also has a knowledge base where you can find answers to common questions. Topics include storage guides, accounts, networking, dashboards, and more. All Hostwinds servers are protected by a so-called windshield protection service. Translated, this means that for an additional $25, you can increase the security of your server with even more protection. Hostwinds conducts security audits, configures firewalls, and uses other security hardening techniques to provide additional security for the server. In addition, its data centers boast intrinsic security in the form of video surveillance, 24-hour network control centers, check-in stations, and 24-hour armed guards. Hostwinds says it's designed with speed in mind, suggesting the following: SSD drives with high read and write speeds, constant monitoring of your infrastructure and network, latest versions of the PHP scripting language, CDN Cloudflare that shortens the distance between your server and your website visitors. Light-speed web server that uses fewer resources, therefore runs faster. In addition, Hostwinds regularly scans its outbound network paths and selects the fastest one so your site traffic is routed as quickly as possible. If you would like to check the speed of Hostwinds' current data centers, there is a dedicated page on their website that tells you how to do it. Whether you're a building e-commerce entrepreneur or a power user, you won't want to struggle with a clunky interface. Like most hosting platforms, users have access to a dashboard where they can access their accounts, billing information, launch support tickets, and more. Hostwinds calls this cPanel. You can also change your contact details here, manage your domains if you have more than one, add subdomains, create email accounts, and more.